Yes, hello, and welcome back to Things People Want. So, what things can you build that people already want? So, the whole idea is to build things that guys are already asking for, and there is some validation behind it. So, you don't spend months building things that nobody wants. So, today we'll just do a quick search so you can see what the product is all about. So, I saw this app going around called what's it called? T. It's called T. So women post men who they've dated and other women who've dated that man say if they've dated him and whatever it is that he did. So they're trying to find out if the man is shared amongst many women within a certain location. So the app is called T. And I was wondering if there is any app of such kind for men. There are a few TikToks I've seen on TikTok where men are posting, but it's mostly for fun, not like for the women where they're taking it as a serious thing. Most of their TikToks where they try to identify men who they've dated usually have quite a number of followers. So let's see if there is something for men. Let's search she cheated and see if anything comes up and if there's a reason to build this. She cheated. So a few subreddits cheated on: Facebook murder mystery, Mama Gada, 900 scamming, 33 members. I wonder what they talk about on that subreddit. Relationship advice and a few others. Am I the asshole? Obviously. Okay, let's see sample posts. AITA, am I the asshole for telling my ex's new boyfriend? My ex's new boyfriend, she cheated on me with 2 guys while we were together. You are not the asshole, my man. So there's a few posts of guys cheated on me early in the relationship. Now she's flaunting it. Yep, there might be need for for such an app. Let's see if there are any business insights for men who don't want to know if the women they are dating have ever cheated. Am I the asshole for my actions regarding my partner's infidelity? How do I cope with emotional fallout? Should I forgive my partner? So the key topics are infidelity and its aftermath, relationship betrayal and trust issues, dealing with cheating partners, forgiveness and consequences. So the main pain points revolve around emotional betrayal, loss of trust, difficulty of forgiveness and impact on self-esteem. I think there might be need for such an app where men can find out if the women they're trying to pursue seriously have infidelity past or maybe a high body count, but mostly infidelity. Yep, so I don't know how we'd go about it, but there are a few TikToks for these solutions. There are implicit requests for advice on how to navigate emotional fallout, rebuild trust, and decide whether to forgive or end a relationship. There's also a request for advice on how to handle the situation when the cheating partner is flaunting their actions. Okay, no direction of mention of what people would pay for, no specific brands mentioned. Yeah, so for this one is mostly based around advice in terms of like when your girl cheats on you, what do you do? But I think with the changing trends, there'd be need for such an app to know if the person who you want to spend the rest of your life with is a cheater. He's a cheater, not a tiger. Yep, so that's it for today's Things People Want. So that's what you do. You just search for something that you want to build, then it gives you like an overview. All of those insights is from Reddit. Yeah. See you in the next one.